Hello guys, today we're introducing you the CARPROG and comes with a nice toolbox. And if you are an individual consumer, this toolbox can perfectly protect your equipment. It's waterproof and shower resistant, easy to carry. So if you visit your clients a lot, it's pretty convenient for you. And if you're a distributor, the toolbox makes the product look fancier. So now let's see what's included in this package. The CARPROG main unit and the cables. Adapter and the software CD. And if you subscribe to our channel, you will get a download link for software as a gift. Thank you guys.